welcome back retail fam. MW over here. We're gonna do an educational trading vid today. So it's all about trading. It's all about how to trade, why to trade. I think this will be for many retailers have been waiting for this vid a long time, and well, I decided to do one today. I'm gonna do a trading vid. This will be the last one that I'm going to do about trading. The next vids will be only to the MEXC trading group, so I will make them private, and only the ones on the MEXC trading group will get those vids. So I'm gonna do one just basics, just basic trading for beginners that are in the markets. I have to say I'm really so proud to a lot of retailers that have been joining the MEXC trading group, and I'm seeing them sharing P&Ls, and it's not the P&Ls that you see on CT, those FOMO scammy P&Ls. No, just real P&Ls. People that have been trading on very low leverage, that have been trading not big amounts, no risky trades. They are scalping, making gains, losing some trades also, and protecting themselves against them, so taking a little loss. And that's what trading is all about, guys. That's what trading is all about. Please don't check all those YouTubers, influencers sharing that they made 50k or they don't even show money. They tell you we made 2,000%, 3,000%. Enough about the fairy tales. Just let's go into the basics and into the reality of trading. So we're gonna do it today, and I'm going because I'm getting murdered on my DM about the MW indicator. Guys, this indicator is already, I've shared it for like a year now, and I've tweeted about it a lot of times, and somehow a lot of people, they don't seem to find the indicator. Guys, if you want to find the indicator, I've shared it a lot of times, and maybe you cannot find it, but in my YouTube vids you will find a link to my TG group, and in the TG group there is a section called MW indicator. Go into that section of the TG group and you will find all the info you need. And also there are a lot of MW indicator vids. There will also be explained how to get this in. So I'm not going to show it in this vid. It's all available on YouTube, and so you have to do something for it. I'm giving you this indicator. I made it for free to use it. I'm not asking any money for it or whatever, like all those other guys do. So you have to put in some efforts. We're not going to should I come to your home and go on your PC and set your MW indicator for you? Come on, guys, you have to do something for it. It's free. It's freaking free. So let me jump into the trading vid. I'm gonna show you guys some trading tips and some basics. First of all, what I wanted to point out is this, because I'm receiving some DMs from new people that did not follow me for a long time, and they ask me and they tell me, wait a minute, I'm all in on this coin, or I'm all in on this coin and I'm in a loss on what to do, etc. Lesson number one: you never go all in. Never go all in. Never. Oh, I cannot write. My writing sucks over here. So never go all in, guys. Never go all in. When you're trading, you have to have your risk management portfolio or trading portfolio, and when you go into a trade, if it's on spot or it's on leverage, it doesn't matter. You never go all in. Use a small amount. For suppose you're bullish on PITH, and you want to buy PITH. Go in with max 10% of your trading portfolio if you go into a trade. So when PITH decides to dump, you can always buy more. So let's take PITH for example. In this case, let me show you guys this. Guys, I have to take my time for this vid, so focus. It's free. PITH. There was someone, I think he jumped in over here. Yes, he jumped in over here. For some reason he just went in. I think that he went all in over here. First of all, when you want to go all in, maybe if you're so bullish on a coin or whatever, you have to go all in on support level. So you never go all in on when a coin goes up. Never, never, never. It's greed. It's greed is telling you, oh, wait a minute, bit is going to the moon. And then you go all in. Guys, I understand it. It's the whole game is built on this. But you have to, at some point, you have to control your greed. Like a lot of I've been sharing this for 3 years now. You have to, lesson number one is you have to control your greed. Don't be greedy. And Peters go all in, and then boom, it goes down, and etc. And you're wrecked. Most of the time you're wrecked, and then you get emotional. What you do is, instead of adding to your bag, because you buy in over here, it comes down and then bounces up, and then you're waiting, and then it comes down to here. Oh, wait a minute, it's going to zero, and then you end up selling in a big loss over here, and then what happens? Price goes up again, and then you'll jump back in over here. So you missed like 20% over here. You're losing a lot. You're losing a lot of money over here. So guys, again, you have to control. Please, I don't know. If you're trading, if you're bullish on a coin, whatever reason, fundamentally or whatever, if you're following some guru telling you that it's going to the moon, maybe it's going to the moon, maybe it is. But you have to control the basic here is that you have to use, when you've got like 100% trading portfolio money and you go into a trade and you're bullish on it, use max 10% on that trade. And if you really don't have any bags and you're only going to focus on that one, then you can increase it to 20, 30, 40%. And then it goes up, you take the damn profits. Don't stay in. So the amount of money that you're using for a trade or investment or whatever is very important, because when you've got cash, because suppose you get that greedy feeling and you think, wait a minute, over here we're going to the moon. When you reach this level, go in with 20-30%, because why? When it goes down to here, you're not emotional. You add another 10-20%. If it goes even lower, it goes to this region, no problem. You add another 20-30%. And this way your feelings, your emotions will be, they will be much better than when you are all in over here, and then you will make bad decisions. And on leverage trading, it's exactly the same. It's exactly the same. So lesson number one, no greed. When you want to go into a coin, go with 10-20%. Always have cash, always have money, because why? That money is going to protect you from dumps, emotions, and bad decisions. So let's go back to the trading bit. Okay, so the indicator, how to use the indicator. Well, guys, I put on the RSI over here. The RSI, you can put it on. Why do I use the RSI? The RSI is used by a lot of people, and I know that wheels trade against retailers. So, but there are so much retailers trading also the RSI and the wheels also. I'm no big fan of the RSI, but you have to use what most of the people use, because they are the ones that are creating and the market makers, especially on very small low cap coins. So the RSI is important in this matter. So like we have seen over here, the RSI was super overbought over here, just like over here. And what you see is it comes back, and then you'll see the price of Bitcoin also decreasing over here. But let me go back to the indicator. So we're on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we got this one, this rise here, and as you can see, boom, up, boom, up, boom, up. It's like a pillow. They call it pillow, where you sleep on. It's like it goes up. It's like it's really, guys. It's, if the people that are using this indicator and have been using it for a long time, they know this. It's like they hit they hit the power button, they go up, and then they get tired, and then on the indicator is where they will be resting. Okay, we need some rest, we need to take a breathe, and then boom, it goes up again, and then wait a minute, we need to take a breath again, and then boom, we need to take a breath again. Boom, we need to take a breath again. It's like they're safe haven. And also yesterday I've tweeted about this. I said like 2-3 days ago, if Bitcoin loses the indicator on the 1 hour, you can expect a dump. So what happened over here is we lost it over here, and oh no, sorry, over here we lost it, and we've got this dump over here. Is this a coincidence? No, I don't think so, because this was a dump of 2%. So it was like, what was it? It was like $800. It's not a big one. So now comes the question. The ones that have been trading this, they made money, because when you're, the basic rule number 2 is never turn a green P&L into a red one. So they take profits. Over here we came and we tried to retest it. And why did we get this rise yesterday? This rise yesterday has got to do with the stocks. This has got to do with Wall Street, because Wall Street opened in the green again yesterday. And most of the times when you see the Nasdaq pumping, you will see Bitcoin 8 or maybe even 9 out of the times you'll see Bitcoin also bouncing strong. So this was really this was Nasdaq, Wall Street pumping up. So over here we got to the indicator, and well, we've got this nasty candle, and over this one we almost closed below it. It was a little bit above it, and then after it you got boom, and then we came back, and over here it's chopping around. It couldn't hold it, and I'm back. But when you're using the indicator is just a tool. It's just a tool to help you decide if you would enter or exit a trade, and to help you navigate through the charts. But there is more in TA, because let me show you what I did yesterday, because I was seeing it broke down, and then it came back, retested, came down, but I didn't, when I saw this low, this was a higher low. So I thought, ooh, wait a minute, the bulls are still in play. But this has got also to do with Wall Street. So it's a combination of many things together. So I was eyeing, and I thought, wait a minute, I have to be careful over here. We had also over here on the 1 hour, on the RSI, you see, we almost touched the 30 levels, and this was exactly over here. So also based on the RSI, you can expect a bounce over here. And well, we bounced back. But this is also, look at this, it's not only the indicator, you have to use TA also, because this is what I did yesterday. I thought to myself, wait a minute, what am I seeing here? We have this trend line over here. This is what I did yesterday, and I thought, okay, wait a minute, if this thing is going to pump, let's see if this one is going to hold. And as you can see, this was before this. I draw this line before this happened, by the way. So what I saw was this. I saw this thing coming back. I had this line over, and I thought, okay, over here is probably where the bears will be jumping in again. And as you can see, we didn't even touch it, and it's exactly at that point. Well, over here, if I make like this, we touched it beautifully here, and then boom, we came down again. So for now, this line is going, as long as we stay below it, it's going to be valid for me, because look at it. Maybe we will go test it again over here. And what I do know is this: when a combination of and the indicator gets broken and this line gets broken, this is, if I would be in any short, I would close it. I would close my short, because I know that there is power from the bulls, and the bulls are breaking this up, and probably we're going to make the 45k or whatever. Especially if the RSI is also on the lower levels. Also keep an eye on that. So if you're trading, these are just basics, guys. This is just basic TA. This is where you start. This is where you start to know and understand where am I going. Especially with the MEXC trading group, there are really a lot of guys. They are shorting a lot. Some are even longing a bit, but they are really killing those trades. And why am I loving to see this? Because I see them, what they do is, suppose they have a portfolio of 5k or 10k. What they do is they use just, let's suppose you have a trading portfolio of 10k. They use like 1k into a position, a short position, for example, what they do is they use that position and they go into a trade. Suppose they make like 100 bucks or they make like 200 bucks and 300 bucks. They are not greedy. They take the profit. They take the damn profits. That's what I teach them. That's the mindset that I've been creating into their minds. Take the damn profits. And what they do is they take those damn profits, 200, 300, and then they go to the next trade. And so on and so on. You know how much trading opportunities there are. No greed, no need to keep in. And then what happens is you jump into a trade and then it goes down. You make like 200, 300 bucks and then you don't take it. And then this thing goes up again and then your profits are gone. No, just take the damn money. Take the damn money and go to the next chart. There are like 1,000, there are like 20, 30, 40 altcoins pumping up, pumping down, dumping down. There. Go to the next. Don't stuck on one trade. And as you can see, listen, over here, this was a massive pump over here. This was a massive pump. But overall, what you'll see is we come down, hit the indicator, we go up. We come down, 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 we go up. We come down. This is all the charts are the same like this. The mindset here is that you have to, when you suppose you shorted this one, you short it, you take the damn money. Could it even go lower? Yes, but you've got your stop loss for that. So when this thing comes down, over here stop loss in profits, never turn a green peanut into red. And then they go to the next. And so on, and so on, and so on. And this is how you keep building your wealth and keep building your portfolio. I'm going to in the MEXC private trading group. So this is really for the people that are in the MEXC trading group with the team that are using the link below from MEXC. So they've joined the friends group. There will be shared a lot of trading setups that the team is going to do. So they're going to show you before they do it what they're planning to do. These trades, guys, are very, very, very dangerous. Why? Because they know how to leverage trades. So if you, this is for the people that are in the trading group, in the trading group from the team that are trading with the MEXC link, that are in the friends group. If you, I'm telling you from now, if you are going to take those trades, you first have to know how to leverage trade and how to protect yourself and the amount. Keep the amount low. So for example, when they are going to share that what they're planning to do, use low amounts of money. So this way you will not get wrecked. So use low amounts of money, and when you make like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20 winning trades, and you've got confidence and you know how to do it and you know how to trade it, that's when you can higher up your amounts and keep building step by step. But I'm telling you again, use low amounts in the trading group. Okay guys, I'm gonna stop the vid for now. So the last one I'm gonna say, the indicator, how you can get it, how to trade it, how to control your greed. Use low amounts, train yourself when you're confident and you can drive this freaking monster. That's when you can higher up the amounts. And so for the guys that want to join the trading group, there is a link below. You have to trade, so it's not only for if you just an open account and I'm joined. No, you have to trade a MEXC. And again, trading on MEXC friends group is not for the group or for the team or for me. You do it for yourself. Go check my MEXC tutorial vid and you'll understand why you should trade on MEXC and not on any other exchange, because you're saving yourself from 70-80% fee reductions. That's why retailers should. And if you're trading spot, you're gonna trade shit coins in and out for 0 fees. Have a nice one and bye bye.